Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out the Shark Rotator Lift-Away LA502 Upright Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful lightweight vacuum designed for homes with pets, carpets, hardwood floors, and everyday messes. If you're tired of heavy vacuums, tangled hair in the brush roll, or weak suction that leaves dirt behind, this model is built to solve those problems while staying easy to use. Right away, the Shark LA502 stands out because of its lift-away technology. With one button press, the pod detaches from the main body, allowing you to clean stairs, furniture, underbeds, and tight corners without dragging the full vacuum around. This makes it much more flexible compared to traditional upright vacuums. One of the biggest highlights here is the no-hair wrap technology. If you have pets or long hair in the house, you know how annoying it is to constantly cut tangled hair off the brush roll. Shark designed this vacuum to actively remove hair from the brush while cleaning, helping maintain strong performance with less maintenance. The suction power is impressive for both carpets and hard floors. Fine dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris are picked up quickly, while the Duo Clean Power Fins system keeps direct contact with floors for deeper cleaning. On carpets, it pulls dirt from deep inside fibers, and on hardwood floors it captures dust without pushing debris around. Another useful feature is the anti-allergen complete seal with HEPA filtration. This traps dust and allergens inside the vacuum instead of releasing them back into the air. For homes with pets or allergies, this is a major advantage because it helps keep indoor air cleaner while vacuuming. The LED headlights on the floor nozzle are surprisingly helpful too. They reveal hidden dust, hair, and debris under furniture or in darker areas that you'd normally miss. Once you start using LED headlights on a vacuum, it's hard to go back. Despite the strong suction and full-size cleaning power, the LA502 still feels lightweight and easy to maneuver. The swivel steering helps you move around chairs, tables, and furniture smoothly without struggling. You also get multiple cleaning attachments for upholstery, corners, pet hair, and above-floor cleaning, making this vacuum versatile enough for almost every area of the house. Overall, the Shark Rotator Lift-Away LA502 is an excellent option for pet owners, families, and anyone wanting a powerful but lightweight vacuum with advanced filtration and modern cleaning technology. It combines strong suction, smart features, and easy handling into one reliable cleaning system. If you want to check the latest price or learn more about the Shark LA502, check the Amazon link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more daily tech and home product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.